इस एरिया को आप बेसिकली अपना ऑफिस बना सकते हो, अपना होम जिम बना सकते हो, और यू कैन मेक इट एज अ रूम. बिल्डर has given this a smart home. You get USB type A, a USB type C here. Pricing and availability. This particular green belt which faces the H block. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is your host Dhruv, and today we're bringing to you an exclusive builder floor located in DLF phase 1. It's in H block. It's located on a 12-meter wide road, and you have lush greens surrounding the house, and you have a park which is located in the back lane of this particular builder floor. It's a still +4 configuration in the heart of Gurugram with round-the-clock security. Come, let's check out the stilt area. जो स्टिल्ट है इस बिल्डर फ्लोर की, इसमें 4 गेट्स हैं. बीइंग अ 300 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स, यू विल ऑलवेज गेट 4 गेट्स, 1 गेट फॉर ईच फ्लोर टू पार्क योर कार्स इंडिविजुअली, ताकि कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो किसी दूसरे फ्लोर मेंबर को. कोई शेयर्ड पार्किंग स्पेस नहीं है. यू गेट 1 लेन फॉर योर फ्लोर इंडिविजुअली. लुकिंग एट दीज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, so first floor, 4th floor and the middle floors will get that space. So the first and 4th floor members will get a parking space of approximately 3 cars. 3 big cars can be easily parked over here, whereas in the other lane for the middle floors you can easily park 2 big cars, or even 3 small hatchbacks you can fit inside this stilt area. Coming to the end of the stilt floor, we have a very decent sized stilt area for the first floor member. So इस एरिया को आप बेसिकली अपना ऑफिस बना सकते हो, अपना होम जिम बना सकते हो, और यू कैन मेक इट एज अ रूम फॉर एन एक्स्ट्रा member of your family. Which this particular stilt hall also has a washroom and a pantry space. Sorry for the mess because abhi the floor is still under construction. The sample floor is ready, which comprises of the first floor, which is the sample floor. एक backyard भी मिल जाता है जहाँ पे you can easily enjoy a gathering of up to 50 people in this stilt and the backyard. Talking about the lift lobby is very beautifully done. There will come a glass partition which will separate this from the parking area. पूरा काम मार्बल का किया हुआ बिल्डर ने यहाँ पे. This Burberry beige marble along with a Schindler lift which has been placed, which goes through the terrace. Talking about the basement, so the basement comprises of the servant quarters. So we get 1 servant quarter each per floor. Let's get to the main floor. So this is the main floor of this 300 square yards west facing builder floor located on a 12-meter road in DLF phase 1. This is H block. It is very near to the park. Just have a park on the back lane of this house. So अगर हम इसके layout की बात करें, so इसमें हमको 4 BHK का layout मिलता है, along with a huge drawing and dining, a modular kitchen and a separate powder washroom. So if we talk about the rooms, we have 1 room in front and 3 rooms at the back. So let's talk about a drawing and dining space of this particular builder floor. इस builder floor में dining area आपका ये वाला बन जाता है. अगर आप देखोगे तो builder ने wall work पे इतना focus नहीं किया. He is focused more on elegance. And let me give you a brief about Varun Bhaiya, who's the MD of KK Group. So they are into constructions, they are into hospitality, they are into education, they are also into healthcare. So they have vast knowledge about each and every industry along with construction as well. If we talk about the work which has been done on this particular floor, the builder has focused more on elegance, जिसमें आपका POP molding walls पे दिए गए. This is a highlighter wall. You can place your paintings here. A marble look like tile finish along with gold inserts have been done. Again, POP moldings throughout the wall we get to see in this floor. So अगर हम ड्राइंग एंड डाइनिंग स्पेस की बात करें तो यहाँ पे डाइकिन का डक्टेबल AC बिल्डर ने लगा के दिया है. But in the rest of the rooms in the kitchen, you get a split configuration of the ACs. So entering into the first bedroom, it's decent in size. It's 16 by 12 in dimensions. You get the bed placement here. So bed back पे भी wall पे groovings की हुई है builder ने, and that's gonna be your TV placement. The ACs will be fitted shortly. If we talk about the wardrobe space, we get 2 full-sized wardrobes here, along with sensor lights and a mirror finish which has also been done. काफी space है इसमें. L-shaped wardrobes हैं. Coming to the washroom of this bedroom, we get a very nice PU finish in matte door here. It's very sturdy. It's HDHMR board along with a designer mirror with a backlit. This entire washroom has been finished with mirror insert in the middle and the tile finish throughout the washroom. Now let me show you the modular kitchen of this floor. Also एक चीज़ notice करने वाली बात है, अगर आप इस पूरे aisle में देखोगे, since it's an aisle finish, it's an alley finish, the builder has done a marble inlay work here of beige and grey in color. So this modular kitchen is decently sized in length, and you get a space for your side by side door refrigerator here, a pantry cupboard here with ample storage in the drawers and an open space as well. This particular kitchen will be fitted with all the white goods like a microwave oven and a hob and chimney over here, which also has the exhaust of the chimney. ये एक Victorian style finish है. इसमें अगर आप इस पे अच्छे से देखोगे तो इस पे these are not laminates. This is finished in PU and the color of it is beige. Ample of storage here. This is another kind of a storage space given here by the builder, and this is a sink जो कि आपको basically multi-purpose sink है. It can be, you can easily wash the entire sink as well. This is your what do you call the RO outlet where your RO water can come out. This is to wash your glass, and this is where the soap comes out. So coming to the powder washroom of this particular 300 square yards builder floor. So powder washroom is connected with the third room here. Again, all the doors are finished in HDHMR along with a PU finish. So it's a kind of a louver finish which has been done. Again, backlit mirror here. This washroom has a theme of black and is finished in tiles. Alright, so we get Kohler fittings here, and we get the sanitary ware of Grohe and American Standard. Entrance door की अगर बात करें तो बहुत ही unique entrance door है. It's finished in a block board, and you get a MyGate smart lock here. Coming to the master bedroom of this particular builder floor. It's 18 by 13 in dimensions. As you can see, again, gold inserts on the bed backside. This is going to be a bed placements, and again, as I told you कि molding का POP molding का बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है builder ने. So for convenience, you have, अगर आप इस पे focus करोगे, so for convenience, the builder has given this a smart home. So you get USB type A, a USB type C here, along with your AC controls and the light controls here. So अगर हम इसके storage space की बात करें, so इस bedroom में 3 full size cupboards दिए हैं builder ने. So that makes it 1, 2 and this third cupboard. अगर इसके washroom की बात करें हम, so the builder has given a tile finish here along with a very premium niche which is there done along with cove lighting and some groovings also on the wall. The niches are of also in the tile finish. अगर हम बात करें इसके sanitary wear की and bath wear की, sanitary wear is from Grohe and American Standard, bath wear is from Kohler. If I talk about another aspect of this room, which is the cove lighting and the false ceiling, which has been focused on. If you focus on the false ceiling work which has been done, it's amazing and it's very elegant. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे भी एक line में in a circular way, in a very curvy way, the builder has given cove lights here. So if you talk about the back side of this floor, ample of space here. As you can see, you can easily put up a grass carpet here and आप लोग यहाँ पे अपना शाम को चाय और कॉफ़ी enjoy कर सकते हो. You can easily host parties also. 50 people can easily accommodate here. अगर आपको terrace की need नहीं है, अगर आपका छोटा circle है, so this area is sufficient for partying. So coming to the this is also with a size of 16 by 12 in dimensions. It's almost squarish in shape and here grey theme has been used. Again on the bed back side you get wall groovings here and again POP work. If we talk about the dresser area in this one, builder ने storage की और आपके cupboards की बहुत ज़्यादा emphasize किया है. You get 4 cupboards here, 4 fully sized cupboards here, and again as we enter into this washroom we get a backlit mirror here along with Grohe and Kohler bath and sanitary. So if we talk about this particular washroom, this has a marble top and again ample of storage here. A marble top here. अगर हम इसके फॉल सीलिंग की बात करें तो फॉल सीलिंग बहुत ही यूनिक है. अगर आप देखोगे तो इसमें ऊपर LED स्ट्रिप लाइट्स का यूज़ किया है बिल्डर ने एंड इट हैज़ अ वेरी यूनिक शेप टू इट अगर आप देखोगे तो. सो दिस इज़ द 4th बेडरूम. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो द गेस्ट बेडरूम ऑफ दिस हाउस. इसमें भी बिल्डर ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया in terms of the bed backside, which is done in a wallpaper finish. If you talk about the ventilation in this room, you get a shaft here which opens up so that there is ample of ventilation in this room as well. Because यहाँ पे balcony नहीं है तो इसलिए ventilation थोड़ी सी चाहिए होती है. Cupboards are of PU finish which is done in gloss along with the designer handle. Very elegant work done by the builder. इसका जो washroom है, this connects to the powder washroom as shown in the beginning of the sample apartment video. So as we enter the lobby area, which is also the alley area of this floor, इस floor पे the only place where louvers and wall work has been done is this area. यहाँ पे आप अपना टेबल प्लेस कर सकते हो. यू कैन प्लेस अ क्रेडेंजा और मे बी अ सेंटर टेबल हियर. दिस इज डन इन वुड वर्क फिनिश. एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट दिस alley space, it is done with groovings on the wall and a LED strip light which runs from the wall through the ceiling, which gives a very nice touch to it. So this is the walkthrough of this particular floor. Now let's check out the terrace. So I hope you liked the sample video that we have just shown you. Comment down your views in the comment section. Do let us know if you like the floor or if you have any such requirements. Please do let us know in the comment section. As we have told you in the beginning of the video that DLF Phase 1 H block is surrounded by lush greens. Please do have a look at this particular green belt which faces the H block. You get a very nice view of the Gurugram skyline. If you talk about this particular terrace, it has a bar counter, it has pantry, a washroom and a double-sized gazebo given by the builder. Gazebo की finishing अभी बाकी है. उसकी जो ऊपर जो sheet लगती है वो अभी भी pending है. And we will definitely attach a video or a clip of the same once it is done. Artificial grass carpet has been placed on the terrace. We get amazing views from this particular terrace. We get a view of the Aravali Biodiversity Park, which faces the MG Road. Also, we get a very nice view of the entire Gurugram skyline here. So if we talk about the pricing and availability of this particular 300 square yards west facing builder floor on a 12-meter road in DLF phase 1, we have all 4 floors available. The first floor comes with a stilt hall, which comes with a pantry, washroom and a backyard, which is priced at 5.5 crores. Middle floors, which are the second and the third floor, are priced at 4.5 crores, and the top floor, which comes with the terrace unit, a beautiful terrace, comes at 5.5 crores. All these asks are negotiable. If you're looking to visit this amazing builder floor, please reach out to the number which is mentioned in the description. If you're looking at any builder floor throughout Gurgaon, please comment down your requirements in the comment section, or you may call us on the number which is mentioned in the description. And I hope we will definitely find some suitable inventory for you in Gurgaon. This is your host Dhruv signing out.